Good morning, students. Class 8th and today's science and today's our topic refining of crude oil. Refining of crude oil. Petroleum is a dark oily liquid. It has many impurities such as water, salt, and sands. It is also a complex mixture of many substances such as petroleum gas, petrol, diesel, lubricating oil, and paraffin wax. तो पेट्रोल ये जो क्रूड ऑयल है इससे पेट्रोलियम गैस एलपीजी, पेट्रोल, डीजल और लुब्रिकेटिंग ऑयल मतलब जो ये मोबिल पड़ता है मोटरसाइकिल्स में या ऑटो व्हीकल्स में, और पैराफिन वैक्स जो होता है इससे कॉस्मेटिक्स बनाए जाते हैं। तो ये सब चीज़ें क्रूड ऑयल से निकाली जाती हैं। It is processed in the oil refineries to separate the useful component. The process of separating useful components of the petroleum is called fractional distillation of petroleum. Fractional distillation, which distillation have two or more components which temperature are varies. They have extract from this process is called fractional distillation. The component called fractions are separated based on the different boiling point. Important, the component called fractions are separated based on their different boiling point. उनका boiling point क्या होना चाहिए, अलग होना चाहिए. During fractional distillation, crude oil heated to distillation tower. Heating separates heavy and light component from petroleum. The heavy components collect to the bottom, whereas the light component collect at the top. When the heated, some of the oil vaporize and the rise up to in the tower. The very top fraction of the distillation column is made up of light gas such as ethane and propane. Petrol is also a light fraction. Kerosene is slightly heavier than petrol. Diesel is heavier than kerosene, and the heaviest part of bitumen, which used to surface roads. Due to the great commercial importance of petroleum is also called liquid gold. You have seen the fractional distillation tower. Here 20 degree centigrade cooking gas, 120 petrol, 170 kerosene या jet fuel, 270 diesel oil, 600 fuel for ship, and here bitumen for roads. Fuel separated from different boiling points. Petroleum is crude oil. Okay. Fraction. Petroleum gas of liquid LPG, fuel in homes and industries, petrol, fuel for motor vehicles and solvent dry cleaning, kerosene, domestic fuel, diesel, fuel for heavy vehicles and generator, lubricating oil, paraffin wax, bitumen, lubricating oil to lubrication machinery, paraffin wax used to make candles, Vaseline, bitumen used to surface roads. Get it right? Petrol or gasoline is liquid state, does not burn use unless it turn into fumes. It is highly volatile fuel which can produce fume at room temperature. These fumes have a low ignition point and therefore ignite easily and cause to remaining liquid to evaporate and then burn. This makes any leakage of petrol from a vehicle extremely dangerous. Thank you, student.